Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. XRP might have broken down already here out of this triangle pattern. Again, like so many other coins that are in a similar situation, the B wave low, which is the important low to really confirm a break of a triangle, has not been broken. So we are basically still within the range between 45.8 cents and 55.8 cents. These are the two breakout points. To the upside would be an invalidation point of the triangle, because the triangle would be expected to break to the downside. So the actual breakout and confirmation point would be at 45.8 cents. These are the relevant pivots. Important to understand is that we call this sideways action a B wave triangle. It might have been completed. It reached our target. Didn't really get far into the target range. So I would not rule out an extension of this E wave. Remember that a triangle unfolds as an A, B, C, D, E structure. The E wave might have completed this last rally higher here, which ended on Monday. This was already a three-wave move and it fulfilled the minimum expectations. However, the actual Fibonacci extension target range as well as standard resistances actually range a little higher. So that means we don't really need to have completed it as such. Yeah? So it can always go a little higher, but it should do it quite quickly then. Okay, it should do it quite quickly, because if it's doing it, it should do it from here. We are now at another key pivot. I mean, just look at this, could turn into a larger three-wave move, for example. If I measure the fibs, we've now basically arrived at the 78.6 fib level down there at 48 cents, and a turnaround here could lead to a larger corrective rally, which we would call ABC structure, possibly a flat structure, A, B, C, and then down. Absolutely possible, so that is definitely something we can watch for. However, at the moment, against the last significant swing high here, the wave 2 of the decline, I mean, if it has topped, yeah, and I leave it intentionally a little bit open, if it has topped, then this would be a 1-2 setup, and against that level we can focus on lower, against that wave 2 high at 50 cents. So to really get confirmation that this E wave is extending, I need to see a break above 50 cents, yeah. At the moment we only have 3 waves down, so it's absolutely still possible and also likely that we get an extension of that E wave. The move down could also count as an impulse. It's not finished though, so it's a potentially unfolding impulse. But first of all, we would need to break below what I've labeled here as the D wave low at 47.4 cents, yeah? And then eventually below the B wave low to finally confirm that breakdown. We're not there yet. And then ultimately, I mean, it's really all about, okay, do we go down directly? I would be happy with that. Or do we make another extension and then come down? These are my two main scenarios here. The base case is for another low below the 43 cent level, which was made here on the 17th of August at 43 cents. So we want to go a little below that so that we can say that this C wave here to the downside after the B wave, yeah, the C wave follows, that this C wave is really unfolding and getting completed. And after that low, we should be watching for a larger recovery rally. So that larger recovery rally could then take us, and now I'm going to zoom out a bit. That larger recovery rally could take us up there, yeah, to possibly $1 plus. So it's a bit difficult because this is an overall Elliott Wave triangle that's playing out here. And that leaves a lot of room for interpretation, but I'm tracking here potential A, B, C structure. So that all of this move of the June lows last year was a large A wave. Now we're coming down in a B wave and then could get a C wave higher. And that could take us to $1 plus, possibly to around $1.20, $1.30. And I would ideally like to see another low before starting that one. So yeah, that's my update about XRP. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.